Good evening. Welcome to North Beach Elementary's open house. Tonight, you will have the opportunity to meet your child's teacher and learn about the procedures and protocols that take place in your child's classroom each and every day. Please take advantage and listen carefully to our wonderful educators and all of their wisdom. Each teacher and staff member at North Beach Elementary has your child's best interest at heart. We are here to ensure our students are healthy, safe, learning, and happy. Please remember that tonight is just an educational session. Should you have any questions or concerns, please email your child's teacher. Your interest and support of your child's education is of the utmost importance to us. I want to thank you for all that you do. Together, we will continue to ensure the success of all of our boys and girls. Have a great night.